Hi and welcome to my fun kitchen. Today we'll do Alberto sauce. But without any animal products, so it will be totally vegan, super healthy. We will even not cook it. So we will need a little bit of onion. So basically we will cook the onion and garlic. So if we take onion, so third part of it will be the garlic. Yeah, and everything we'll put in the water for boil for, I don't know, about 5 minutes. It will be super quick. Let's prepare everything. So basically you'll see how easy and quick you can cook the certain things. So basically when all of the water will go on, that's it, it's ready. Just to make it soft. So for raw foodies it will be a bit unsuitable, but still in my opinion it's more than healthy. So let's say if it's 200 grams of onion, we will need 100 grams of the garlic. Additionally, you can also add the cabbage, cook with the cabbage, but it will be smell a little bit of cabbage and will have a different taste. By the way, you can make any experiment. You can do it in your own style, let's say. Make a different spices. Something what will be more suitable for you. And some taste what you like. More spicy, less spicy. Okay, that's it. Well, you cannot feel it, but here is so hot. The garlic you can leave it whole, because afterwards we will put it in a blender, or you can just cut just really a little bit. Again, it's really up to you. So basically kind of freestyle cooking. If you want to add the cabbage, let's say, so you can add same amount of cabbage as the onion. So basically I think the best remedy against any disease, any seasonal flu or whatever. Okay. We make it lazy, we make it quick. So that's it. Alright, so water almost boiling. I guess it will take about 5 minutes. So, if you can see it, so when all the water is gone, it means it's cooked. And then we will put it in a blender. So, you can use corn milk, beans milk, soy milk, whatever, any milk you want. So, in the proportions, let's say here about 150 grams of milk and about 250 grams of vegetables. Basically, I do it everything on my eye, just for make it blended. And yeah, cashew. This cashew I put on a night in the water, because dry cashew it's a little bit hard, and this one is really creamy. You will love it. Amazing. Same amount of cashew, about 150 grams approximately. Everything there. About the spices. Pepper for sure. We'll add black and white pepper. Then we have a chili, but for inconvenient. If you like it spicy or not spicy, also in just example, I have a different kind of greens, dill, basil, whatever, coconut powder. You can use it, but it makes a little bit smell of coconut. It will be not taste like Alberto sauce, but you can add it. So basically you can add anything you want. You can add a little bit of seeds if you want. It's really optional. Same, I put it in the water, make it really soft, make it really creamy. I will add a little bit of chili powder, really little, or make it just a little bit more spicy. That's it. About any other greens, it's really up to you. It's really optional. So here is a little bit of basil, little bit of dill, parsley. So it's like a mix. It's really little, just for the smell. That's it. But I bring a lot of different spices. Dried garlic, but here it's unnecessary. We have a real one. And what else? Basically that's it. We'll see salt, a little bit of salt, for sure. I use really. Initially you can add a little bit of olive oil or coconut oil if your dietary have not enough good fats, let's say. Sesame seeds, if you want. Yes, add a little bit of calcium. Simple. And then we will wait for the vegetables. I put vegetables here, so approximately vegetables will be half of all of the mass what we have in a blender. Blend it within 3 minutes, let's say. Sauce is ready. Super easy, super quick. You can use it with complex carbs, pasta, or some other cereals. Basically cereals for keep yourself fit and not hungry. I think it's one of the best options. So wait another minute for the our vegetables, and it will be ready. Slow carbs spaghetti. Where is mine? Okay, so when all the water is gone, we'll put the vegetables in a blender and mix it for 3 minutes, I guess. That's it. Our sauce is ready. So it's healthy and tastes really amazing. Also, you can do a lot of kind of mayonnaise with nuts powder. You can add nuts powder up here or some seeds powder. Then it will be much more protein and calories as well, of course. Okay, so you ready? Basically need wait about 3 minutes at least, but I make a process a little bit faster, and our amazing sauce just ready. Also you can add some cooked mushrooms, make a mushroom sauce. It's so good.